Welcome to another video. This is your one and only chubby princess, US based blogger, Hotbox 237. Always on point, always represent. I say my people, this social media don't will leave more drink water keep couple. Na all place na grr grr. Who talk say, who no talk say. I say the Congo South vlogging who be vlog. Hey, Papa God, if you don't get thick skin inside the media, just go you because he bad na bad for this social media. Maybe you don't know they say I dey for saga, I don't dey for saga. If you want dey for saga, eto your two food dey for saga. I don't want to hear that thing, but I mean that pretend. No, hot box don't want to hear that kind of thing. My people. See am una start una clap for Bella Power. See am Bella Power it use the hate. It discover say as if the girl are underground Congo Sano. They can't fish it out the salad. Just any way they hide, they go move you. Yeah, Papa God. If it made a hippo, would they move you? If it made a, then they fish you out. We so Bella Power been a granda. If it as we the play though, if it the that kind of, they don't think Bella Power is fine. They flop for table. They want just this cracker. No plotting Dubai for them. This Dubai YouTube at the end. Then the fish. As we get FBI I heard the voice of the voice like that's the fish people there out. They don't go find that get in file. What now tell that gets vlog and they want just start rob you for the photo. But as a man advice Bella Power no. See, I'm not missing the una get sense. Because no, they will drag Bella Power That me say Papa God my idiot. See, they go find Bella Power a story. They bring her for start blocker. That means as we get so pap heads I don't the blocker. The other one they put the chakara Bella Power. But Bella Power say what happened. Where he no can say I can apologize. See, all that word say sorry though. He apologized for all the bloggers there. He not just apologize for one part. He apologize for all man. Before he was start he apologized for his fans there. Bella Power. See, I give you respect for that one no. You know, not say when man talk fine to the cat talker. Remember like say what can the control or save for here? No, we not doing for that one. We not doing for that one. We just the crack and the go na go. Remember like say that we mad cow them. So my people, Bella Power don't come out. He apologize. Say any man, any of his fans then too way be don't hurt the way be no. He be very sorry. He write a long apology. Be so touching. So we say apologize for bloggers. They make blogger they keep name for down. Anything don't do about for any blogger they me I know be the vex, but I be try to talk now say me know the match some people then I'm my own that one we talk Bella Power. One love all the bloggers there. Yes, now so you for the unity in a very good thing. If I for be united and if I for accept your fault, if you do something you know say it be wrong, even if you know be wrong, you discover say your name they go for social media. If you know be social media person, you don't get thick skin. You prefer to come make peace be for just apologize for the way you don't hurt them. The same way apologize, no shows that the person be wrong. Yes, it just want us make peace reign for a 237 community. Say on a here we go, now go to follow Bella Power page. Now Grant said that now Cameroonian sister where he hate the tick, where he use the headquarters. Yes, my people. Thank you very much, Bella Power. I will say all with the vloggers and the bloggers. We don't hear apology. One love. Yes, my people. I say collab will be there for. I don't tell you that if you work and play for the social media, you say work at the crack the goose in the T road. Dubai YouTuber they go finish you. No touch, no mess with one man. Oh, when I hear say Besem waiting for Belgium Antwerpen, he say go lock one of the Dubai YouTuber. They already wait to carry today. They say go land yesterday, you know land. They say go land today. We don't know what's in the play. Oh, Besem, you the earlier you go start find that court case. We will say anything end for social media. Where do I go coach do one? Where do you go coach do one? So Besema ask something. That way people they be drag you, that be fight for train. They put up for all platform, they put on Facebook, put up for all sites. You know, be go see that people they go lock them. No, Besem you know be see that people they go lock them. You know be see them Besem for go lock them. Because you don't see that voice of the voice the way the dick could not. I say voice of the voice they touch or play with air. They didn't even to stand. Small talk with voice of the voice don't touch you, only small so you don't spark. so they say I go love voice of the voiceless. Something I say na granda they contribute money for gear for best me go lock voice of the voiceless. Yeah. This social media if I don't start now so we start lock people the people don't start going far because una charity case dey plenty for Cameroon. Now one day when Lady B go contact and say we find only location, only pancake sound and something they no go find it catchy better. Like you go join the saga. See, my people they new for here, I beg una just pardon me, na so me and they laugh me. See, the people they go keep me on social media. They can't say best. They don't drag the grass best, so it's in the way if you go fight for train. No, me I go talk about. We don't for social media. The whole place they breathe. The best baby P the best because the best they say they the key at 12 pedo Congo sa. Voice of the voice just coming and new. They don't know that self stay. It just pack. Best that small sparking. That means the best don't crash. Best say the land for Dubai for go lock. Then people know something. Some account they call and say Dora White account. People don't accuse the account, say the account na the person get, and the account na the person pay. But the voice of the voice like will be the FBI for 237 community. If they we say na Besem get an account, and also Besem and voice of the voice will be na friend them and family friends. So the best voice of the voice family voice of the voiceless is sister. They be don't until they be don't call for travel grants the platform talk say they don't be family friends them. So if he voice of the voice will talk say that account na Besem get them. I go green. I the green me. Anybody know I'm green no? I the green. So person say welcome Dubai now for go block, for go lock voice of the voiceless. If forget for no say if find them to the planes way yeah voice of the voiceless they don't get them back. But say how far? No go for that Dubai they go to lock you. I beg ask me people I just go best because I don't know what the engineer you may go for your own shit. You don't know voice of them. I said anything voice of the story I love to be because FBI I say it's a go scatter balance. You see before you can't do that Dubai you go first beat to face fine before no you want go police. Grandad how far. When I don't consume money go get for best you don't reach Dubai take carriage today. See grand say no make a more rock for poto. No joke. No just make a more joke carry so they bring out social media. All they are all visual they say don't bring them down. When the Tibet be don't PU all that visual they see they oh hey. They like say you forget quick. Social media they forget something. So grand say just now the fool so they go lock person. No just go run go lock person. So yes my people that account now where they call us say Dora White as person decide say they go Dubai for go lock voice of the voiceless. He go bring down the account. He go disappear. Person go bring down that account. Person have the true that we get that Dora White account on a news you go open possible for this social media. See not everything we carry me say we come for here. So when he carry me, he bring up here. Since as this one mommy them, you are grand said they will look up to them. Because by the way, me no man no come for social media say they look up to so auntie because you are auntie the air that head. I don't know. My people are big. I don't know whether we man the it the door na door. Because I be there small my scientists people on pikin tell me. They tell me say when you grow after you can't turn back this small pikin. I dey see am. No, I dey see am. Because this was until they don't start reach 46, late 40s, 50s. They make the like picking them for class 3. Because you say big auntie, so big auntie when Rico does start come on, so you looking for road, so you tire a pass, so you even just say no grass, but they mess up, they blew up. Auntie they mess up. Remando he turn back small picking on a picking learn for this. So no come for this social media card, just say the auntie they so I didn't my model. Me man don't look me model. I don't even look no mama model for this social media. Man look at the dream like Kelly Peace now. So because Kelly Peace, I hear Kelly Peace's story. He say Kelly Peace we don't go Kuwait. He go work house girl for Kuwait. He come up for that place of Kuwait. He run stand for street to the help. No Kuwait the play no. I mean Okate una. I don't know how he Kuwait the play. You see, whether na that kind of side or whether na down or whether na up or whether na correct walk or but he go Kuwait. As Kelly Peace go Kuwait, he go work for the day. He come on now for Kuwait. He run go to other country again. He go hustle. Now they never just say in the building. Boy, you know Kelly Peace. Kelly Peace, I just give free advertisement. Na brand mama Atalaku na brand ambassador for a product. They are not call the product in name for yet. I hear Kelebisi story so for hands Ayoki show that is the air majority for. But na grand said that way now they make waves. Na grand said that way now look they make things happen for pay now no ya since they made. Kelly please don't blow. This start small no. Start making small junkster them. Now don't this junkster they start box shaking. I remember that I be there for school. Where I shine, I go school for progressive. So my friend will say, how you dey shine so? And I started to say they make oil. They start coming as my friend they call Rachel. I beg sorry Rachel, I call her never yet. That's what you go shake it up, you go shake it out. Mix up. So when you go get so I go shine, you go get so I go black, you get so I go cure it. That's all that clip start to small. So after I say may go advance. You go advance. And now the open empire for Cameroon where the launch will be blocked. That kind of grand they be the dream big. They dream big and they work hard. You don't know they dream big. You sleep with your bed when you come top, you kill you there. You kill you there. Yes. So I be there for how the show. I hear that so the peace be go any mess up business. It be that means you fight away. Now they know you. Any sign that say but they don't hang it so quick we back so for for Cameroon. And grand said that way when I even try look small so now look small because they use bad, good, ugly, best, everything make their waves and they make them right now for Cameroon. So they start look up to that kind of product. Not go look for this kind fair until they were 50, 54, late 60s them. When I said that my mother it go kill now. So the other auntie I talk about it in for the America, they call it Dora Lawson. It is like so that auntie she not so a network the spark. Yes. A network the spark. It is her place quiet so it has Brenda be talk the wash she slap. The auntie she know they say I say place quiet. It just go put up on Facebook so bam. He say Kobos how poor so I say Facebook Chris. I say Facebook Chaka. They climb for that Dora lost the hate like say tomorrow no day. Then a grand say way to say no get shame but it enter a canal because all that caution they caution Dora Lawson. That caution they caution. Don't they under the show where they pee you for hairs and Yoki show. They pee you if they under the look at best. As immediately hairs they just finish a live show, you pick run and go make live of social media. My people tell na Dora Lawson na who? Dora Lawson na some grand say way day for you on Houston on our Texas site for America here. The grand say get some place where they hustle, say get cafe, where they make cook chop say all the kind of things that Sylvie mentioned your friend. So Dora Lawson na if we give the follow some woman they call it Coco, so woman the master Coco Wonder. The woman. Oh, congratulations, Coco Wonder. He not born. Coco Wonder just born. Because Coco Wonder be for master, he don't born no picking. So he just born, but the man get different picking. So Dora Lawson live ready for America. He goes to follow that man that woman in massa. He can't boss the show Grandsville holding Dora Lawson. He pilam. He coach Dora Lawson all kinds of style. Dora Lawson start coach Grandsville. Coach Grandsville. Don't know something. Why Kobos name become make enter from the Veshela start over coach Grandsville so start coach Kobos so. Una remember say time when the case become more Dora Lawson snatch Coco Wonder massa. That case before going for Kobos. Kobos deny say he no go block that kind blocking, that kind brutal. You know they gossip. It motivated make people they laugh. So you know one block that kind of thing. It reach your Mama Atalaku deny. So now it be like he can't reach now from the Veshela. The person will bring the story from the Veshela. He tells the Veshela say he don't give any to put it. They deny for block him. The Veshela when a radical and a biased blogger. We have to give small thing from you, eat the blackmail, you eat the cut you anyhow. That time Veshela we tried for the beat each other, but it be a radical blogger that time. We eat the chakara social media anyhow. So he grip Dora Lawson for he told us so patch. He click as they also fish shake now lie they pili for the coachy. As the coachy for the nice the Veshela say the Veshela talk say see it's a Kobos so una never pretend. So this story come for you come for una no give for blogger because they Dora Lawson now una friend. Dora Lawson Mama Atalaku with Roy Mama. They become for the Veshela a compound because they be denied for coach Dora Lawson. Now he make a Veshela join Dora Lawson, he join Mama Atalaku, he join Roy Mama, start coach them. The very Dora Lawson way today don't be a grand out. When he forget so fast for no say, Now because of he where Tiveshela start coach the 3 people there for line stay today. Dora Lawson now go come for social media, can put them say Kobos why poor. So the one talk, he start talk say Kobos na celebrity, so you get to coach celebrity anyhow. Why you not go put up on social media say Shella, how you dirty so? Oh Shella, how maps need to work for your skin so? Oh Shella, now which kind close to well for your birthday so? Oh Shella, now which kind read that? You for go Dora Lawson go to say Shella, why your photo shoot picture de for belle e dey so? Shella to na celebrity as una talk. Or you go ask and say, Mama Ataraku, why chop not be for your marriage? Why you see na only Kobos? You go to say Kobos, why poor so? Now Kobos are the only celebrity for 227 community. Because Kobos name not be now, any man want make popularity, just put Kobos name and start follow him. Kobos poor, as una talk. He poor no, but una know it tomorrow. I remember my life. My people don't tell nobody, I fight my way. I don't come up from rich family. They don't born me with golden spoon, but I walk my way. So that Kobos family be even better past my family. But I fight my way from small. Come to I finish my school, I start work like field assistant. I get my connection for Cameroon. 1 or 2, I touch, I don't pop up in people there, and they help people there. I fight my way, I work, I can't reach. Which I did today, my family will be on today. You know why tomorrow, Dora Lawson. And I like the way God know how to turn people their situation. I like the way God know how to disgrace the type of people that Dora Lawson. I don't know whether you get for your rices only a head or spark or you don't start Chris. Grand said Dora Lawson. See I respect you, but it like say that are 4-4. That's a jam and mix over there bar so it's spark for your head. You just hook up can't like your camera and talk rubbish. That don't finish pew for hands are you show. You go put camera, you start the more like not so Dora Lawson make like frog when you jump for water. I don't Dora Lawson small like bear. I saw the bear, motherfucker. I feel na come language they talk at me for day. My head jakara. I feel na come. I tell you na true. The America you need pass through some people them. How many years the grand said before America, but it tongue I fear. Better than me so you try to rap stuff as well, man. But the I say. People, I see something and the under that show around my eyes. So, but I only looked at one man. Oh, so typists are typists they want keep your keyboard. When they call that Dorothy, wait you, Tabe Dorothy. See, he said, I said that come language. You want key Dora Lawson. For Dora Lawson, the antenna there's some good thing that cast out to camera and the smoke make so. With the make that make the Michael Jackson dance so. See, Dora Lawson. If you just find that they talk about you, I will not talk about you more rest more. Because you don't give me support to people talk about you. The until they fight me, they know ye. Since I see go strong Roy Mama, they no fit. He strong with Mama, like you know fit. He go for Kobos now. Kobos now don't catch Kobos, so say what can use Kobos. Then Kobos go right to say Dora Lawson, which I don't do you. The foolish idiot talk say you never do me no nothing. You never do me no nothing. Shame do you go bring down the post? You know for bring them. Kobos now na koko. Why you know we go right up for they say Diveshela, why you born you put basket for picking? Now only your poor so why the charity case? You defend Diveshela no. Diveshela go pew. You go join Diveshela that group that because say you all they are sitting there you do and for America, Diveshela go still here, sika pew. Now that you don't use their number 6 as they call up, you run go join their team. Now, if you ever dare for pick one of Diveshela, say Diveshela, because now say Diveshela celebrity, you for pick it and say Diveshela, true, put picking basket. On Diveshela, why you charity case? On Diveshela, why you weak they ever tangle so? On Diveshela, now kind why you dream mimbo? Why you dream mommy picking the dream mimbo? On Diveshela, so you be there you belly, you be see smoke banger. You for the ask another question. Or if you say Diveshela, why you shot so strong so? Oh Diveshela, true, you get sickle say. You for the ask all that kind of question there. You don't go to ask Kobos, say Kobos why you poor so they want to say be celebrity. You know yeah, to not make water. You don't go water. My people are back. People don't kill me because any grass say this so he fight over jaga. If I start today was that talk about I lost it over jaga. Don't say for this Dora lost now because of shame. It's as a Coco Wanda, the woman where we go sis Imasa. You go take my mother, put a whole cell. It too mad. It too mad. My mother say alarm can blow. It's as the woman don't born because the cause the woman say the woman go born pikin, me the woman go born pikin. The woman don't born now. The idiot come out now. You go write on social media say congratulations Coco Wanda. Say niggas say no see. Niggas say you know they say they are you know they say man slap so bash make you balance because you need some tramadol. If you take this thing that tramadol. See, the guys go right on social media say you congratulate Coco Wanda. So you expect big celebrity like Coco Wanda. Okay, thank you, say thank you. After I don't do my man, after I don't use, you don't drain all the juice so you must waste. The one talking say must not be the last 5 minutes. It must not be the last 5 minutes now before it must not give Coco Wanda belly. Since as you I don't tell us social media say some man own some person go look man I don't like the man, but different man like the man. Oh. Because the guys they so you say that Coco Wanda terrace, it must not be the enjoy, you know, be here. But I human that hold and fine hold and take a belly. Which you are talking now. You will start drag now and Dubai YouTuber there. Don't even try you because you start your matter for here, you go bat. If you start your matter for here, you go bat. Come on, go post it, congratulations, Coco Wanda say no born. See me that's no kill you there. After I don't hold my master, you drag up, you tumba, you mignon, you drag all the juice. You can't take congratulations. Then maybe the woman answer you, but if you I say I challenge you, Dora Lawson. I challenge you to national television. If you know say you want to attack celebrities, they don't start with the visual. Ask the visual, how you dirty so then we go don't say no. Attack a celebrity there. In Yam. Oh, I don't go for ask here. Go ask her. If you go attack the Kobos. People man end for you because no. If I want hold the grass, no. If I know that man look at me like mommy breathe. The fire we dey over corner the fire jagged. Mommy breathe for the mommy breathe say it jagged. Mommy, but you really know the auntie them. The auntie them are fine and jagaja. If that best me or that best is when you say you go to Dubai, so mommy bring my look up. Mommy bring ele fish. The way they fight jaga. My open door I lost the old. Mamma me, if I want to finish the file, I go finish it in 2035. The way they fight jagaja. I beg my people when I go like the video, when I subscribe because this social media will go die. Say I'm go die because you until that fight mommy please. The fight I don't know what the year what 2035 very jaga fight. Dora lost the fight, best me fight against I very jaga. I beg when I like the video, when I subscribe, when I share me video, but the 10% say we still waiting for Dubai. We still waiting because if you no go lock voice of the voiceless the fight this will continue in 2025. And it live if I if I over jaga no you know like Jakara Moto no really open now I get to start pash and keep at the 2025 we got it fine. Yes, my people are beg my live with my rip the hot because the answer that just I hate there. I hate the shake. So spark no just shake for the answer that I hate there because now don't go carry Isabel bring already at the madness. See, I hear only file Isabel. I hear voice of voice Queen Mother, Queen Dupes. Then the Chakra file for there. I go bring what I file go big pass the one because go bring all jaga file and start pash like panabita. You turn to na auntie ha. My people I beg my live una. I love una very very badly. See the way I love una I will pay.